Oh, those two look so good together. We're so gonna get a ticket. Jesus. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, back with another video. Today is gonna be the bike meet that I'm hosting. I kind of did a little pop-up, posted it last minute and changed the time, so it was a little messy, but hopefully it's gonna be good. I'm excited for it. Taking the H2, the Monster, and I'm also waiting a special car to be joining me. A friend of mine is coming with, and we're gonna be rolling together to the meet in style. The H2, and you're about to see what special car is coming. Stay tuned for some pretty lit content this video. V12 and supercharged inline 4, the perfect duo. Yo G, start it up. Woo. All right, my turn. Oh, those two look so good together. They belong. Oh, baby. We're so gonna get a ticket.
Someone's gonna get pulled over.
I know, I know.
And I can't run away, so it's me.
Hopefully we can make it there. Hopefully we'll make it. It's only 10 minutes. Typical. I am late to my own meet. Sorry for whoever's waiting there. Holy! God damn, that thing sounds mean. What the hell? Oh, we're so getting pulled over. We're definitely gonna get a ticket.
Grab it a little bit.
This bike is pretty aggressive to be riding it one-handed. OG subscribers know this spot. I did my ZX6R exhaust video here. Everyone in the cars is like, what the hell is going on? Ah, nice. We got a few amount of people. What's up, man?
Ryan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Finally, man.
Yeah. My bad, I was late.
Yeah. Mix up.
I'm always late to everything.
Auto blipper.
Whew. Kinda. It's still pretty like aggressive, rough, but it's better. It's more usable. Yeah, it wasn't usable before, so yeah.
Get to meet the legend himself.
So, man, how are you doing? How you doing, bro? Hey.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you too, bro. Hello. What's up, man? How you doing? What's up, bro? Nice to meet you too.
Sounded great coming up.
Yeah. I do not remember this spot being that many floors, man. We're like going up for a while. I think a Karen saw us. Hopefully she didn't call the cops. We'll see.
I heard you for like a half a mile away. I was like, all right. I was about to say, you're gonna really gain an appreciation.
Yeah, it's a lot of trouble.
Looks a lot nicer in person.
Yeah.
Looks weird on video. Sounds a lot nicer.
Yeah, those two vehicles is way too loud together, so we'll see what happens on the freeway.
It's pretty slow, right?
Yeah. Top speed 20 miles an hour. Yeah.
Like 90, 95.
Yeah, I have to stay on the slow lane on the freeway.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah.
Got a small little 125 engine in there.
Maybe for your next one you can get a real bike. But
Hopefully, if YouTube takes off.
you just got it tuned, right?
Yeah.
What's it pushing now?
251 to the wheel.
That's only 5 times more than my bike.
It's too much, man. It's way too much.
Is it?
Yeah, it's almost unusable for the streets without getting arrested. But I was actually gonna bring the R1M, but then he told me that like he's gonna bring that car, so I was like, you gotta bring the two, you know?
If there's anything wrong with the R1M.
Yeah.
Gorgeous bike.
Appreciate it, man. We didn't get a ticket yet.
No,
That was way too loud.
you're next to me and then I made it pop. And I'm
Yeah.
like, now they're gonna hear it. Long ways back. Really? We heard you.
All right. We lost some people, but for the rest of it, yeah, it was bad. We're alive. We made it. Yeah. Currently, we're leaving to the second spot, do a little ride. There's gonna be a lot of traffic as usual, but hopefully we kind of stay together. We'll see. And it should be a lot of fun at the bike night that we're going to. You ready? Jesus.
Four more cylinders.
God damn, savage. He said you need 4 more cylinders.